Hi, and welcome to our 7th grade Social Studies curriculum presentation. I'm Lisa Madro, and I'm going to talk you through what we're going to talk about this year in 7th grade Social Studies.
I'm Mary Adams, and I'll be teaching your student this year on the Barracuda team.
I'm Matthew McLean, and I'm the social studies teacher on the Stingray team.
I'm Mr. Witter, and I'm also a teacher on the Barracuda team.
And once again, I'm Lisa Madro, and I'm a teacher on the Stingray team. The supplies that your child will need for social studies this year are a one-subject notebook. This will be their most important supply for social studies, as it will contain all of their notes and study guides for tests. We also ask that students bring glue sticks and colored pencils to allow them to complete their one-subject notebook. For tests, we'll take a test in social studies every few weeks. If your student performs below expectations, he or she will have an opportunity to retest in order to get a higher score. In order to be eligible for retesting, the student must complete a review assignment and have it approved by the teacher. As far as homework in social studies, we will not have a lot this year. Most of their homework will just be to finish assignments that are not completed in class, as well as study for tests. If your student has to miss school this year, please check our Canvas pages for any assignments. And then if you have questions, please email your child's teacher. The topics that we'll learn about in 7th grade social studies will begin with the Great Global Convergence. Our focus is on world history. We'll talk about the Protestant Reformation, the Renaissance, the Age of Exploration, and colonization. Then we'll move into the Age of Revolutions, the scientific revolution, the Enlightenment, and how the Enlightenment impacted the American and French revolutions. We'll also talk about the revolutions in Latin America. Then we move on to the rise of world powers, the Industrial Revolution, imperialism, nationalism. When we return from winter break, we'll move into the modern world, where we'll discuss global conflict, including World War I, the rise of dictators, and World War II. After that, we'll talk about the Cold War, the division in the world between the United States and the Soviet Union, the conflicts in Korea and Vietnam, and we'll talk about communist China. Finally, our last unit of the year will center on our modern global society, where we'll talk about things like decolonization, globalization, and terrorism. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to your child's teacher directly. Thank you for attending our 7th grade social studies curriculum night.